the POEs yet or anything? Oh fuck. Oh my gosh, chasing me! Worst grenade in history! I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Oh God! Fucking balls! I was just fucking potato aim that. Go run away. Jesus! Potato aim. Is that how you found us, Sharon? You took a break from Last of Us and found the channel? Oh, I want it. I want it. Oh, for fuck's sake. Dude, Pee-wee level 20 and 32 on my Titan, and Hunter managed to get the exotic Hunter helmet. Nice. That's cool, bro. Oh, come on! Oh shit, they keep coming. Oh my god. Holy shit! Woo! Oh God! Fuck balls! Shoot the thing! Woo! Where? Oh my god, what the fuck? Fucker. Ah! Sorry. Holy shit, this is insane. How'd you not kill your friend right there? Come on. Nice!
That's strange. For a moment, I detected Vex energy all around the
Oh,
site.
sweet!
As for you, that was great work. Nice to meet a Guardian that exceeds my expectations. Come back to the reef. Winter now bows to Skolos, and
That's
the
pretty cool, man.
wolves have just gotten started.
Man, I can't wait for PoEs. They sound awesome. Plus, the PvP 3v3s sound fucking great. I cannot wait to do some hardcore PvP. Like, that will be fun. first to win out of 9 matches, like, the good, like, oh, it's so awesome. What? Nothing? Come on. Come on.